Now we're going to look at how to use our Frontline special education system to create notices and send them to parents. Once your planning document has been filled out and you've sent your Google invites to staff, and then you have reached out to parents to schedule the meeting, you're going to come here to actually do your notices to be able to send through the parent portal. You're going to come here to special education. You're going to go to notices. You're going to search by student name or ID number to come to the correct student. And today we are going to look at this student right here. I'm going to be writing the student's record. I'm going to go here to invitation to ARD meeting 1. At the top here, I'm going to put the dates in which I have made contact. So today I called mom, and I'm also going to be sending the parent portal notice. I put the date of the ARD. Here, and I put the time. So here I am, 2:21. It's going to be at 8 a.m. Come back into my notices screen. Enter that here. It's going to be Zoom. It's going to be home, and this is going to be an annual ARD and a level change ARD. I'm going to mark. We're going to discuss anything they want. We're going to review the program. We're going to consider ESY. We're going to develop and or review the IEP. Okay. We're inviting parents, student, special ed, general education, administrator. We're also going to be inviting, according to this document, just the middle school representative. So we'll go back here and I'll enter other middle school rep. Okay. All of that looks good. I'm going to click save. I'm going to then go to the next screen, which is for you, invitation to ARD meeting 2. A copy of those procedural safeguards will be provided to parents on the same day as today. I'm going to get that sent out. And here you're going to put the contact information for anyone who may have questions. So I'm going to put my contact information. I don't generally put a phone number. I just put name and email address. And then they're going to return this form to, it's either going to be to the ARD facilitator, which is who I'm putting in here, at their school and address, or it might be back to you if you're on that campus. And then in this case, I did speak to mom and she agreed to the plan. So I'm going to click that right there. She agrees to the meeting, and so that's marked. Then I'm going to click save. I'm going to click next. Then I come down here and I need to make sure to click this include record box. I'm going to put my name. That would be your name as the office assistant there. What position you have. Office assistant. And then I'm going to put my record of contact attempts. My first one was phone, and they agreed to attend as scheduled. Then today, via our parent portal, which is like email, I'm going to send the notice. Now I'm also going to set up a schedule send. So on 2/7, the Friday before, the week before, I'm going to go ahead and send a new email with Zoom link, scheduled send. And then there we go. So I look at that. I'm going to click save. Now I'm going to click print archive, and I'm going to do this invitation to ARD meeting. Print final copy. While this is loading, on that previous page where it's record attempts, it's okay if you write over previous year's information in there with the current information. Here we have, I'm just going to go through and make sure that it all looks correct. My date and time are correct. The times in which I've sent notices is correct. Yes, the parent agreed. Here are my contact attempts. That all looks great. If something's not right here, you can just X out and go back. But in this case, it looks great. I'm going to go ahead and save it as SPED, ARDs and Notices. The archive type is a SPED notice, and I'm going to click archive. It says, great, we've archived it. It says it right here too, it's been archived. So I'm going to X out of this, and now I'm going to use this application drop-down menu to go to Archive Manager. Here you can see my invitation to ARD meeting. I'm going to go ahead and rename that, and you want to name it with the date of the ARD, not the date that you've sent it. Click Save. Now I'm ready to share that with parents. So again, using this drop down here, I'm going to go to my document share. I'm going to click share. Parent email addresses will automatically show up right here. This one doesn't have any because it's a pretend student, but you'd select all the parent email addresses from here. You mark signature required, and then you should have a personalized set of document share comments, or you can type in here, here is your notice of, I'm just going to come over to here. Here's your notice of ARD meeting. If you're able to attend, please sign yes. If you are not able to attend, please reach out to me as the ARD facilitator. And then I click share. And then it says, are you sure you want to share? Yes, I am. And then you can see that it's been shared here by this little blue dot. The other thing, that we need to share with parents every single time is the notice of procedural safeguard. So we're going to go back to our archive manager, and I'm going to upload my procedural safeguards. I'm going to choose a file from my desktop. I have all of mine saved here in something called procedural safeguards. Open, and then I'm going to add it. If this were an initial ARD, you would need to share both your procedural safeguards and your ARD guide. I'm going to drop this. I like to put it in the same folder, SPED, ARDs, and Notices. The reason that I do that is so that I can quickly look and see that the ARD invitation and the Notice of Procedural Safeguards went out on the same day. Again, from here, I go back to my document share. I click share, pick the email address, I click signature required, and in this document, my personalized document share, I have just another quick statement. This is your procedural safeguards. Here's how you can reach me if you have questions. And I drop that here, and then I click share. So that is how you do your first and second notice using the DocuShare system through Frontline Special Education.